Students, in EVS we have learned wild animals. Today we are going to learn sounds of animals. First is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. An elephant makes a trumpet sound. Trumpet spelling T-R-U-M-P-E-T. Trumpet. Trumpet sound. So an elephant makes trumpet sound. Second, lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. A lion makes a roar sound. R-O-A-R. Roar sound. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. A monkey makes a chatter sound. C-H-A-T-T-E-R. Chatter. Monkey makes a chatter sound. Here, fox. F-O-X. Fox. A fox makes a howl sound. H-O-W-L. Howl. Fox makes a howl sound. Snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. A snake makes a hiss sound. A snake makes a hiss sound. Spelling H-I-S-S. Hiss. Hiss sound. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. A tiger makes a grrr sound. Sound grrr. G-R-R-R. Grrr sound. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. A bear makes a grrr sound. G-R-R-R. Grrr sound. Tigers and bears sound is same. See, tiger also grrr sound and bear is also grrr sound. Thank you, students.